Let's go crypto investing, and this is a emergency warning bell notification. Like the channel, subscribe, and share to get the truth and information you need that this company provides that sets us apart and puts us at the top of the chain in technical analysis and blockchain technology and XRP breaking news, non-paid, non-controlled, just straight my own personal opinions and facts on the market. And I believe that we're moments away, maybe seconds away, if we don't get major buyers to come in very quick and stop the bleeding. What I've been warning about ever since back here, about a 30% dump. It was more like back here when we came back again and retested after this little hook dying out bottom, saying the price was going to go down. If we get breached, is 57 cents, and you can see we hit it. We hit it here. We tempted it back here, right, to try to hold it. If we break this area that we're at now, you could have a flash crash all the way down to 47 cents, where I've been warning about. Ever since we were way up here, we were telling you the price could come down. The price was probably going to come down, and it was not going to skyrocket to $1 before it had some kind of correction. You need the buyers to come in, and you need the buyers to come in fast. And the buyers could come in and reverse this and make you trade back up into here, maybe even back up to the 69 cents. But from what I'm seeing right now, if these buyers don't come in, you could be on the verge of a total crypto market collapse. And you could be on the verge of a quick, fast move down of 20% in XRP. You can see XLM's already continuing to do this after we talked about where he got confirmed breakdown here from the 13 cents. We told you this thing was setting up a slanted head and shoulders topping reversal pattern with a target to move to 10 cents. You could be moments away from completing a flash flush from the 13.5 cents down to about the 10 cents, or a 21% flush. Bitcoin is now starting to give back a lot of those gains. We told you Bitcoin flipped bearish as it was repeatedly running up against this red trading zone that we couldn't breach right here. We kept getting rejected, and we told you our flash target price is a quick double bottom, but you could have a flash crash too. And this could be a 10 to 20% across the board in a matter of hours, one of those phenomenal crypto dumps if the buyers don't come in, and that would be a 30% dump. In Bitcoin, we need the buyers to step in. We need the buyers to step in fast, or you're going to have a 10 to 20% market flush across the board in as little as a couple of hours. This is a big dire warning about the big total crypto market cap flushing, and we've been talking about this, and things are starting to happen and move fast, and the buyers need to come in now, or you could lose. We've already lost 2.20%. We could lose 10% off the total crypto market cap today in the matter of hours if this flush doesn't take place, and the buyers cannot stop the bears from taking over the market, as the bears have been in control of the market besides a 2-week stretch for the better part of a year. And the one thing I'm worried about is in a capitulation, you could lose a total crypto market cap, maybe approaching the mean of the volume, all the way down here, maybe going below sub $100 billion. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.